Randy here with Randy Repairs It. We're back with this Makita BHP453. And if you recall, earlier I had taken this apart and discovered that the motor is bad, most likely. So I ordered a motor, a brand new motor, and it showed up just now. So we're gonna take this thing apart, back apart. I put it back together again, and swap this motor out. Hello. Okay. Oh, there's the screws. All right. Take this out. Clear that out of the way. This fell out of it last time I took it apart, and I have no idea where it went. So I've got to look at the diagram, see if I can figure that out. I thought it might be up here on this switch, which would make sense, but it's, I don't know. I got to figure that one out. That happens. Okay. We're going to take you off of here. Set you aside because I don't want the gearbox coming apart. All right. I do need that out of the way, don't I? Because I'm going to need it for this motor. All right. Looks the same. There's a little red, so there's a little red there, so let you know so you don't get it wrong. All right. You guys get to see my crappy soldering skills. With my new soldering iron. Okay, we want that one on. And yeah, I think 300 degrees Celsius will do it. Let it get warmed up. Yeah, so I'm wondering if I should have used that tip instead of the pointed one. That's the one that came from that was on it. All right, let's see about me getting this back on here. I don't know if this is going to happen or not. All right, we're back. Battery died on the camera, and my charge handle was dead too. So there we go. Too many videos at once. I'm fixing a lot of stuff. All right, so while the battery was dead, I went ahead and soldered this in. It's in, okay. Let me get this out of the way. Mainly because I didn't know the battery had died and I was still working on this. All right. No, I do want, yeah, this side. Okay. there's that. I got to figure this thing out here and see where it went. No. I got ahead of myself on that, didn't I? I usually do. Okay. Yeah. I really do have a lot of problems with the Makita cases. I don't know why. They don't like me, or I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what's going on here. See, now that goes together. All right. Just wasn't holding my lips right. Throwing screws, okay. All right, that should be enough to check it, test it out. Yeah, there's the hammer. I'm not sure it's changing gears. I don't know, this battery's got 3 bars. That's faster. Slower, okay, that's what I was looking for. Whoops. Yeah, that's working. But if you put it in screws, okay, it is working. Maybe I just didn't have it all the way in. Okay, working great. All right, that's the Makita BHP453. Put a new motor in it, and working good. You can find this on eBay for what I paid for it, and no, not the battery. No batteries not included with this one. So look for it on eBay. Nothing wrong with that. Thanks for watching.